Welcome back to Quantreef.com. XRP's trading around 147.33, sitting right in a tight little pocket that's worth unpacking. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this is likely headed over the next several hours. Price is at 147.33, just below session VWAP at 149.44 and the anchored VWAPs from the swing high near 149.44 and swing low near 149.16, those two are close enough to treat as one zone. Being under that cluster means sellers still hold short-term control, and momentum reads more neutral to cautious than outright bullish. The heat map fields aren't printing clear pool data this cycle, so I'll lean on structure instead. Stop hunt risk here is flagged high, which tells you resting orders are bunched tight around the current range. That kind of setup often gets swept in either direction before the real move starts, so don't assume the first poke through a level is the final answer. On the panel right now, resistance above sits at target 1 150.35, then target 2 154.65, then target 3 at 170. Below, support comes in at the 1H swing low, 145.46, with the stop loss level at 144.50. Given price is hugging value from below, I'd expect that swing low to get tested before target 1 does. A break under 144.50 invalidates the current read. There's nothing printing above in the fair value gap list, but below there are 3 unfilled bull gaps, one daily gap around 137.80 down to 134.41, and 2 4-hour gaps lower near 133 and 129.70. Those are magnets if this pulls back hard. On the fib side, price is sitting just above the 0.786 retracement at 147.24, which is acting as immediate support. I think that fib level gets tested first before any of those deeper gaps come into play. Cards grading this neutral, N at 79, HTS at 59. Volume and liquidity, at 74, and Fibonacci location, at 65, are carrying the score, while macro regime at 50 is dragging. Retail and top account longs aren't printing this run, but the 4-hour taker split shows 56.6% short versus 43.4% long. Sellers are more aggressive right now, meaning shorts are the side that would get squeezed on any push higher. With price under VWAP and the 0.786 fib right underfoot, I'd watch for a dip toward the 145.46 swing low first. That's where resting buy-side interest likely sits. A clean hold there with reclaim of VWAP opens the door back to target 1 near 150.35. Fail that, and the daily fair value gap near 137.80 becomes the next magnet. Remember, XRP takes a lot of its direction from Bitcoin, so check Bitcoin's own liquidity picture before leaning either way here. A Bitcoin sweep can override a clean XRP setup entirely. Bullish case confirms above 150.35, invalidated under 144.50. Bearish case confirms under 144.50, invalidated back above 150.35. So we're sitting at a real decision point. Whichever side takes the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next leg. If this kind of structure, probability and liquidity breakdown is useful, hit like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer read across over 100 coins, and there's a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.